Vixens, it's your girl Ladaria. I'm back with a new video on this pretty poppin' copper color. Now it's pretty simple and easy. It's just a couple steps. So what we're going to do first is we're going to bleach the hair, and these are the things you'll need as well. So we're going to follow the directions on whatever bleach that you're using, and then after you do that, measure it out. Then you want to make sure you pour in the right developer. Now I've been doing this for years, so I just do it by eye because I just know how much to put in there. All right, but anyway, so then after that, we're going to just start, I call it painting. We're going to paint the hair. So once you're done applying the bleach to the hair, what I do is I let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. You don't want to get it too bright, because if you do, the color will be slightly off. And sometimes the hair won't take the color. Like it won't grab onto the actual hair strand, so it'll look kind of weird. But anyway, so after that, I rinse it out. And here are the colors that I'm using. Is Adore. I believe the color is 76 and 72. So once we're done with that, I lay the hair down. And then I apply the color. And tips, ladies, using a trash bag, I know you all have seen it numerous of times. It's so much easier than using foil. So much easier, because all you do is just wrap everything up and just throw it in the trash. I mean, it's so simple. I'm done. I just let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. And once you do that, after it's set, then you just wash it out, and then you just prep for your install and style. I know this is a very short tutorial, but ladies, I wanted to get straight to the point. And thank you so much, T, for being my model. Love you much. And Vixens, thanks for watching, and follow your girl at Hair Vixen on my IG page. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.